Okay, so I'm logged in now in my web hosting account. That's the back end of the website that I am in a process of creating. And as I created, I'm showing you my progress. So last time I went in general over the main screens and to different spots on a web page on a website, and in this specific video I'm gonna start, and the in a after in a subsequent videos I'm gonna go to certain areas of the back end and start focusing on certain area of building it. For example, in this video I'm gonna go over the header and the navigation bar and the links in it and the logo. I'm gonna show you how you can change those and how you can create them. So this video will be dedicated for just the navigation bar, and in the next videos I'll do more in different parts of the site. So first I'm gonna go up. This is the website here. It says this is like a dashboard. It's the control panel. They call it H control panel, I think, in Hostinger. So I go to websites here. It's very easy to learn. Once you log in, it takes you 1 hour to figure out everything. It's very straightforward. So I move over to websites here, and it says edit website, and this is the domain name attached to this website. So this is the one I'm working on. So what I do, I click edit website, and then the system will take me to the website builder. This is the website builder I'm talking about that I was doing some work last time. And this is convenient and perfect for somebody who's trying to build their own website and they don't know how to use coding like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You don't have to learn those. You can build a website, using this website builder. It may not be fully customizable the way you want, but it's very flexible. There's a lot of options. I haven't used everything, but you get basically everything you need here without using any codes. So like I said, in this video I'm gonna go over the navigation, which is this one here, the header part, which is this one here, and that includes the navigation and the logo. So this is the logo. I changed it last time, but let me go over it again to show you how you change it. So this is the logo here. What you can do, you can go here. Okay, so if you click any place here, you hover over this one here. Okay, so it says edit the header. So you click on edit the header, and okay, and now you got this menu here. So you move over to logo, and this is the logo here. If you see the picture, that's my picture here, and this is the picture. You have access to change it here. It says replace image. So if I do that, if I click on this one, I can click on it and it's gonna show me different the media library it's called, and you can upload files from your own computer or other places on the internet, and you can use what's existing here. If you go to images, document, so what I want to do here, looks like you can upload all kinds of documents. You can have an image, you can have a JPEG, PNG, and basically that's it, JPEG, PNG. So let's say I want to change my picture. So what I do, it says here upload files, right? So upload files, and this is my computer. Let's say I want to use this one here. This is my YouTube banner. So let's say I want to use it. So open. See. Okay, it's right here now. So it was uploaded. So if I hover over it, it says select. If I want to change the logo, I'm gonna select it to replace my image here. So let's say select. So it replaced it here, and you can It doesn't look you can move it around. It just stay like this, you know. So which is okay. So now what you do, it's changed. So I just X out of this box, and it looks like you can manipulate the width. It says logo width. So if you change this, it's gonna be, if you look at it, it's getting bigger and smaller this way. So I want it in a manner where it can be read. So let's keep it at the maximum 350. And you have the menu item spacing. You can change the space between them. I think those here, I'm not even noticing that, you know. Okay, that's okay. And this is the logo position. Okay, so you can move it to the left or right side. We can keep it on the left side. Usually it's on the left side. Okay, let's keep this here. So okay, there are so many changes you can make here, like edit text, etc. So let me X out of this. So I'm just showing you what's the capability, what you can do with it, with this website builder. It's you know, it has a lot of options, a lot of capability, and without even making any changes to the codes, you know. So let's say if you want to edit the header, you click on it, and then, oh, we're back to the same screen. Top, bottom padding. Okay, so you can change the padding here. The padding is the space around the elements. You don't need that, you know, so let's keep it this way. 30 pixel. Okay, so we're done with this one. So okay, you can make it, it says make the header sticky. Sticky, it means even if you scroll your page upside and down, it's gonna stay in place, it doesn't move. So let's try that. It's sticky. Yeah, I guess I have to preview it to see if it works. Make header sticky. Okay, so preview. Yeah, so that's what it means by sticky. When you move your scroll up the pages, it stays here. And if you change it to remove the sticky option, let me see. Let's say we remove the sticky option, it's gonna move with the page, I think. Let me see. Yeah, so it will move with the page. Okay, so I prefer to keep it sticky this way. Even if you scroll the pages, you can see the navigation links here. So let's keep it. So going, if you there's two cases here where you can go. You have the two modes, I should say. You have the preview mode, and then you have the back to editor. So when you go back to editor, it's self-explanatory. You can make editing to the page. And when you go to the preview mode, you can see it, how it looks like if it's live on the internet. Now it's not, the website is not live yet. So you go back to editor here, and again, let's make it sticky. So make header sticky. Okay. So let's see the style. Header social icon, normal hover. Yes, so hover. Okay, I guess you can change the hover color. So it says hover color here. It means when you hover over the links, what color you want. In this case, it's black. Let's make it blue. let's make it a blue and try it. Let's try it now. You see it changed to blue when you hover it. Folks, please notice these options, they can get very difficult if you want to use HTML and CSS and JavaScript from scratch. You know, you need some kind of experience with coding. So this is why the website builder is very easy to use. So now I just changed the you see how easy it was to change the hover links, the hover color. So preview, back to color. Okay, so I guess we didn't save it. It has to be saved. Edit. So let's go to style. Okay, it didn't save, so let's make it a blue. Hover, save, preview. Okay, so actually looks like it turns to yeah, I gotta work on this more because style. Okay, I see. So you have to set those here. So if it's normal, we can keep it black if it's normal. So let's, okay, they're switched around. Okay, so I see. So the normal, we want it to be black, and the hover, we want it to be blue. So now you can see the change. So okay, now they can stay, save, preview. Okay, so they're black, and when you hover over them, they change to blue, but I don't know why one of them is staying. Yeah, I'm not sure why this stays blue. Okay, it means it'll show you that you are at this page. That's another thing too. So let's not dwell too much on this. So you get the idea how to edit the logo and the color of the navigation links here. So now we can look at those. How do you create those, and how you arrange them, those links here, links to the pages. So if we go here to the left side, you go down, it says page and navigation. So this is the navigation bar here. So it's different. If you want to edit those navigation bar here and the links, you're not going to be able to do it while doing the edit header. You have to go to the pages and navigation. So you click on pages and navigation, and you can get this menu here, and you get the links, and every time you click on the setting on a gearbox, on a gear wheel here, it's gonna show you the link to what page. So for example, the home, if we click on the home on a gear, it says setting, and you can rename it, you can duplicate it, you can hide it from the navigation. If you click on this one, it's gonna be hidden, it's not gonna show here. And duplicate, if you have a page where you built it, you put a lot of work in it, and then you wanna reuse it or make a similar page, you can just duplicate it, and it's gonna show you a copy. Then you'll edit it, you'll change it, you'll change the name of it. The rename, it's self-explanatory. Let's say you want to change the name of the home to, let's say, start here. You can do that, rename here. And if you click on rename, it's going to give you this menu here, another screen. And then you can change it here. Instead of home, you can say start now, or, and you can hide it and you can unhide it. So if we can cancel out of this, the same with the other ones. It's the same. If you click on a gearbox for the courses, and you have, it looks like you have the option to make any page the home page. So if you click on this one, it's gonna replace the home page with this one. The setting, same thing on the setting. If it says this is the name and navigation, you can change those names if you want. It says courses here, and you can enter the page where this link will point to, this navigation link will point to. So and then this is work with me. And if you want to add sub pages or other pages under the same link here, like this one here, like this will take you to either this page or this page. It depends which one you click. If you click of this, so basically you have two options under work with me: one-on-one coaching session, and you can click on this one, it'll take you somewhere to that page. And done for you services, you click on done for you services, it's gonna take you to this one. Like I said, it's not done yet. Let me set up your website like this one. And then you can go to the one-on-one coaching sessions. You click on this one, it says 1 hour consulting such and such. So so this is the capability here. You have one link and you can have more than one link under it, like pointing to different pages, and you just click which one you want. Going back to the navigation, and so, and then you can move them around. If you move this, it says drag and move. If you want to have like pages or links under the main link, like under the course or under this one, you can have them here, but you'll move them away from, like if you move this one at the same level, it's not gonna show under it. If you move it to the side, then it's gonna show as a sub menu of sub link of the main one, like this one here. So this is why you're seeing one-on-one coaching session and done for you service, because you look at this one here and they're not under the same high, because there's some kind of hierarchy. That's what it is, so it's not at the same order level like the other ones. So so that's the main navigation here, and the links, and what link point to what page. So those you can change, and you can edit them, and you can change the pages like you see in here. And each one have a gearbox that you can make changes to. You just have to click on it, and it's obviously like once you're done with this, you can just get out of this one here, and then we already have made changes to the header, which includes the navigation bar and the logo here. So and again, this is how you preview. You look at the top here and you preview this. You click on preview, and then it will show you what you changed. And then when you want to go back to editing, you just hit this one here on the left side, this arrow, it says back to editor, and you go back, and then you'll be in the editing mode. And when you hover over and you see those options, add section, change, you can move this around to change the height of each section. You can duplicate sections, and you can move the sections around up and down. And also there's something important as you work and make changes. You have the capability of making changes to make it responsive, because they have this option here, which I was very impressed that it says switch view. So whatever you make changes to here, that's for the desktop. And if you wanna make sure it appears the same, or it appears the way you want it on the phones and mobile devices, you click on this here, and then it will show you how it looks on your phone or other, you know, mobile devices. And you just scroll down and you go all the way down. And sometimes what I notice, sometimes the order of certain links or titles or elements, they changed from the desktop view to the mobile device. This is why they have this one here. If you didn't like certain elements the way they look on a mobile, you can change them. So you can do editing either on the on both, but one at a time on the desktop, and then you can move to the mobile device to see how it looks like. If you like the way it looks like, you just leave it. If there's something you want to change that it didn't look like the desktop, you can change them around. You can do the same thing. You have the capability of editing in a mobile responsive view. So and again, it's automatically, it says autosave is on. It's good to make this option available. I mean, turn it on, because it is available. And once you make a change, it's gonna do a save automatically. And again, the preview here, you see how you preview it, and then you go back to the editor if you want. So now again, you go to the desktop view, and preview here. Okay, and back to the editor. Oh, okay, we are in the editor mode. Okay, so yeah, we are in editor mode. I was looking to go back to the editor, but I am already in the editor mode. This one is the preview, I think. Let me see, website builder. Okay, so and going to the website builder menu here on the top, you can change. It says here back to websites. You can go back to the websites and you can make changes. You have the capability. What's nice with the with Hostinger website builder, you have the capability of adding store and e-commerce capability. But I'm not adding elements like e-commerce, because I'm trying to build this website to offer a service and coaching, not to sell a product, specific product. But I might sell online courses, and I'm gonna connect it to my my platform, to the platform where I have the online courses. So I didn't go through these. Maybe in the next videos we can go through. Again, if that's it for this video. If you want to go watch, I mean, you should watch part 1 of this series, and you go to the playlist, and whichever you didn't watch, go watch the rest, you know, because they make sense when you watch them in sequence. Again, my name is Josh Shamoun, and I make those videos, tutorials, and other software tutorials about that have coding, low coding or no coding, which is easier for somebody starting new and is not very technical. Like, you're not a web developer, you're not a web designer. Those tutorials will help you DIY your website and other tutorials I make. And if you have any questions, please submit them in a comment. I value your opinion, and I do appreciate if you provide any questions or let me know, give me an idea about the next videos. It will be very helpful. Thank you.